I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sugar-free, no-bake cookie. To make this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 3 cups of quick oats, 3 tablespoons chia seeds, a half a cup of unsalted chopped peanuts, a half a cup of raw honey, and 3/4 a cup of peanut butter melted. The first step to this recipe is to combine all the dry ingredients. So first we're going to take the chia seeds and the peanuts and combine them with the oats. Next we're just going to lightly mix our dry ingredients in the bowl, and then we're going to combine the peanut butter and the honey. Now that you added the peanut butter and the honey, we're going to stir the mixture to make one solid ball. You want to make sure the liquid covers all the dry ingredients and keep mixing until it forms one solid ball. So next you're going to take out 1 tablespoon of the dough and form it into a 1-inch ball and place it on a lined pan. The chia seeds in these cookies are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. In 1 single tablespoon, you get 6 grams of fiber and 3 grams of protein. So not only are these cookies sugar-free, but they're high in protein and they're great for an energizing snack. Now that we've formed our cookie dough balls, we're going to go ahead with our thumb and put a light indentation on each of the cookies. Now that your cookies are nicely formed, we're going to go ahead, put them in the refrigerator for up to 60 minutes, and you can take out and enjoy your no-bake, sugar-free cookies. I'm Lindsay Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and that's how you make a sugar-free, no-bake cookie.